And in a major setback to U.S. President Donald Trump, a federal judge in New Hampshire has issued a ruling blocking the executive order ending birthright citizenship from taking place anywhere in the country. This order comes after the U.S. Supreme Court restricted the ability of judges to block Trump's policies using nationwide injunctions. Trump's executive order, which was met with widespread criticism, sought to deny citizenship to babies born to parents living in the United States illegally. Now, Judge LaPlante issued a preliminary injunction certifying a class action lawsuit on behalf of affected children. The injunction includes a 7-day stay for appeal. This ruling protects the constitutional guarantee of birthright citizenship under the 14th Amendment.
Today, the court certified a class nationwide of children who are impacted by the president's executive order and enjoined it from going into effect on July 27th. This is going to protect every single child around the country from this lawless, unconstitutional, and cruel executive order.
Now, the judge's decision puts the birthright citizenship issue on a fast track to return to the Supreme Court. The justices may be asked to rule on whether the order complies with their recent decision, limiting judges' authority to issue nationwide injunctions.
And that class of individuals, the judge ruled, are U.S. citizens. That the president's executive order is a violation of the U.S. Constitution's citizenship clause, and that going forward, people born in the United States do not have to worry about whether or not they're U.S. citizens, depending on what state they live in. In fact, they are all U.S. citizens.
Now, for more on this, the correspondent Susan Tehrani has sent us this report. Listen to this.
The new birthright ruling underscores how federal courts can temporarily block presidential policies even after the Supreme Court issues decisions that seem to limit those blocks. The judge in this case argued that plaintiffs, being children born in the United States, would suffer immediate and irreparable harm if the policy took effect. So he issued a nationwide injunction anyway. Practically, this sets up a almost certain fast-track appeal, likely back all the way to the Supreme Court, which just ruled that nationwide injunctions should be rare. Moving forward, this clash really signals that despite recent Supreme Court skepticism regarding nationwide injunctions, district judges are still willing to test the limits. Susan Tehrani reporting from New York for WION World is One.